Have you ever wondered where the strangest stories come from? Let's talk about Robert Louis Stevenson, the man behind Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Now, Stevenson wasn't just your average Victorian author. He battled illness most of his life, spent more time in bed than in school, and was frankly a bit of a literary rebel. But here's where it gets really weird. Stevenson claimed he didn't actually write his stories. Not in the way you or I might imagine anyway. He believed that inside his head lived a group of brownies, tiny, mischievous helpers. Whenever he needed a new novel, Stevenson would simply ask his brownies for ideas before drifting off to sleep. And according to him, they delivered, feeding him stories in dreams, piece by piece, like episodes of a serial drama. This wasn't just an idle fantasy. Stevenson genuinely credited his brownies for crafting his most famous tales. Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, that dark exploration of good and evil, came to him in a feverish dream. He woke up, scribbled it down, and just like that, the world had a story for the ages. Now, some say Stevenson was simply tuned into his subconscious, letting his imagination run wild. But isn't that the real secret? Sometimes the best ideas don't come from hours of hard work. They sneak in while you're dozing, or when you let your mind wander. So, next time you're stuck for inspiration, maybe try asking your own brownies for help. Who knows? You might just dream up the next great classic. Thanks for watching. And remember, sometimes the truth behind a story is even stranger than fiction.